Yo, what is up YouTube? Lee the Captain here, and I believe that PancakeSwap's native token called Cake is ridiculous. And why do I say that? Because ever since I started talking about Cake, the price has done nearly a 3x. I think that this is just a very small taste of what's to come in the future. That's what she said, because I think that Cake during the next bull run could hypothetically at least go to the price of $50. And even though that's not financial advice, here are several reasons why I believe that could very well happen. And a major reason why I think that could happen, I think is going to boil down to the rock-solid fundamentals of PancakeSwap. It's a BNB chain-based decentralized exchange, and it enables users to trade and swap tokens without having to go through any centralized intermediaries. On PancakeSwap, users can even also add liquidity and earn rewards as well, which I find very fantastic. In addition, users on PancakeSwap can swap any token on the BNB Smart Chain in just a matter of seconds. That's what she said. You know, this is very amazing to have in the world of decentralized exchanges, right? But in the boom boom in the bedroom, is just a matter of seconds such a good thing? I don't really think so. No one wants to be known as a single pump stunner, if you know what I mean, a one pump stunner. But again, right, in the world of decentralized exchanges, it's a good thing. But again, in the boom boom, I don't think so. But with that being said, here are some crazy and insane statistics for you, because in the past 30 days alone, PancakeSwap has had over 1 million total users. It has had a total value locked of over $1 billion, over 15 multilingual communities, and over 35 community ambassadors. I mean, man, when it comes to PancakeSwap's statistics, it's really second to none. I mean, it's crazy. And personally for me, I think that PancakeSwap is focused on the right market. And why do I say that? Because according to Grandview Research, the decentralized finance market by 2030 is anticipated to be worth over $230 billion. I'll catch y'all on the next one. I'm out. Peace. Bye.